Hello friends, through this video we are introducing about cell styles in Microsoft Excel. Quickly format a cell by choosing a cell style. You can also create your own cell styles. Quickly format a range of cells by choosing a table style. First of all, quickly format a cell by choosing a cell style. Select a cell. On the Home tab, in the Style group, choose a cell style. Okay. To create your own cell style, execute the following steps. Select a cell. On the Home tab in the Style group, click Cell Style. Click the bottom right down arrow. Click New Style. Enter a name. Click the Format button to define the number format. Define number format, alignment, font, border, and fill and protection of your cell style. And click OK. You can simply uncheck a checkbox if you don't want to control this type of formatting. Then click OK. Again, go to Home tab. On the Home tab in the Style group, apply your own cell style. Where is that? Cell style. Okay. Right click a cell style to modify or delete it. Right click a cell style to modify or delete it. Modifying a cell style affects all cells in a workbook that use that cell style. This can save a lot of time. A cell style is stored in the workbook where you create it. Open a new workbook and click on merge style to import a cell style. Okay. Import a cell style, click merge style. Through this video we are introducing about Microsoft Excel cell styles options, how to quickly format a cell, how to create your own cell style, how to modifying cells, how to import a cell style. I think you have understood my words. If you are at first time in this YouTube channel, please subscribe the channel. Okay, thank you very much.